Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Unfortunately, a situation happened, an unfortunate situation where, because of all this snow and people's inability to park correctly, there is a broken tail light. Fortunately enough, I was able to find the replacement suitable enough, not in perfect condition. There's a little crack over here. There's like a hairline crack on the bottom, but fortunately enough, I was able to find the proper replacement that's going to look a lot better than this broken glass. So I'm going to fix it. I was able to get a crank position sensor recommended by a viewer of this channel. His solution was the correct solution, so my car is no longer breaking down, and it is able to do this. A few things I have to take into consideration. There's going to be a push tab on the side. It's like a tension clip. You push it in and it just locks into place because this part on the end is going to latch on one end, and then you just push it into place and it locks into place. The only thing I have to do is replace the bulbs that are currently in there and put it in here. I'm wearing gloves because it is still cold outside. If I look underneath the car, you see the wiring, and of course, because I've been driving in these terrible conditions, this tension clip is holding it in place, and over here I have additional wiring that I have to take into consideration. But if I push on this tension clip, I'll be able to unlock it out of place. I will push this tab. There we go. Pushed it out. Comes right out. Was able to get it out, and this thing had been in there for a while. And there it is. The light fixture is out. Let me replace the lights and put them in the proper place. One thing, if I look at this housing and I look at this one, it literally, when I orient it in the proper correct direction, it's literally gonna be a plug and play situation. After a little bit of finagling, I was able to get the light housing separated, and I can now replace the housing and the lights are in good shape, so they're gonna remain. And now I'm gonna put the tension clips back in. Basically, that's gonna fit over that. Well, yeah, like that. Out with the old, in with the new. And that's it. I'm done. That felt good. I can drive this car and not worry about water getting into the housing. So ladies and gentlemen, that's the beauty of having old cars. You can easily fix it yourself. A lot of parts are serviceable. Things like a modern car, you have to bring it to the dealer for simple fixes. So yeah, buy old cars. They're a lot more fun and a lot more satisfying to fix. I'll talk to you on the next one, and I'll see you soon. Land Rover's back in action. And I hope the snow goes away.